Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now, I have something very important to tell you, and I'm not quite sure if a lot of you guys, a lot of people out there know about this, but this is an extremely useful tool. Now, for this one, we're going to topic grouping rows and columns in Excel, streamline your workflow. So you're going to see right here, I have two sets of data. I have fruits and vegetables, all 10 in each of the rows right there. Let me just lessen this one, because that's a lot. Now for this one right here, let me show you an example. If I hover or select all of my data ranges under fruits and go under data and look for the one that says groups here. Now on your end it might says outline, but on mine right here I have already expanded it. So there are reasons that if you're seeing outline, just click on it. But the important part is look for groups. So click on groups right there, and this little icon will show up. Either rows or columns, but for my end, I'm gonna go for rows. If I click on OK right here, you'll see these options, just like on number 1 and 2 there, and the negative icon. Now for some reason, if I click on the negative icon right there, it will lessen that option right here. If I click on number 2, it will open it up. Number 1, close it up. Easy as that. Same goes with this one, but for this example right here, rather than going to the group section, there is a shortcut. So the shortcut to group here is going to be the Alt, Shift, and right arrow key. Let's try all together. So that will be Alt, Shift, and right arrow key. Same drill, this will show up. Click OK, and then click on that one. Same goes with that one, and you'll be good to go. It saves more space and time for you guys. Same drill, if you open that up, they will open up. Close it, closing right there. Now you might be asking me, is it possible to ungroup them? Of course this is possible, so let me just ungroup this one with the drill right there, or rather with this one. Click on ungroup, and you'll notice the line right here will be gone. So if I close on this one right here, for example, only the vegetable is closing up. The fruits is still unstable, or stable as it is. And there is also a shortcut, if you already saw it. The ungroup icon is going to be Alt, Shift, and left arrow key now. Let's try it all together. That will be Alt, Shift, and left arrow key. That will be ungroup. Click OK, and you successfully went back from how it was together before. So some additional information for you. So the one we did earlier is going to be rows. What if we try for columns? So same drill guys, it's just basically the same. You can select one of each and then go to data. Same drill, go to group, click on groups, and right now choose columns. And with that, you can successfully hide it up right there. And it also works for the shortcut. So for example, under price, if I under G column right here, if I want to hide it, that will be Alt, Shift, right arrow key, and this will be added up. Perfectly like that. Same drill also if you want to remove it. So that will be ungroup right here. Let me just select everything. Click on ungroup. Click on columns, and there it is. Basically as it is. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.